Hi! Today I want to share with you how do I style a very tight bodycon dress. I don't have a very defined waistline, therefore I usually stay away from tight dresses. However, this one happened to be very cozy and super comfortable, and I really wanted to find the ways to wear it. So here we go. So here I'm starting with a long necklace that helps to create a V line on my neck, so elongates my upper part. And also I will be using this beautiful sash belt. I'm loving the belts because they help to redefine your waistline, even though I don't have a perfect waist. So especially good belts are the ones that just flares out. And in this way, they do create a slimmer waist effect. Strategically placed accessories can also help in dividing your midsection and drawing the attention away from your belly. This is what I am doing here. And in case you don't feel comfortable enough, you can always add a long vest on top that saves so many of my outfits when I feel that something is missing. Why oversized? Bigger shoulders makes your waistline appear smaller, and longer sides camouflage the hip area, as well as it makes the bottom half appear smaller. But in order not to get frumpy look, it is important to cinch in your waist. And I'm adding some accessories and a pop of color with my bag. Asymmetrical lines make the eye travel in diagonal line, therefore it has a flattering effect. Again, I'm using a belt to show off the waistline, and I'm putting my hair up and also placing a pair of glasses because it helps to frame my face and bring the attention to the upper part. I love shirt dresses and they are so flattering, and there are plenty of ways how to style them. And this is one of the examples. Long vertical lines created by side panels and long necklace flatters my proportions. A crop cardigan creates additional volume, and therefore, in comparison, your lower part appears slimmer. My lower part. Embellished headband creates focal points around my face. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time very soon. Bye!